Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you three different ways to jump between different worksheets of an Excel file. So what we see on the screen right now is an Excel sheet where I've created 20 sheets. So starting from sheet 1 as you see here, and if I use this arrow button, I can navigate to the last sheet, which is my sheet 20th. So this sheet contains 20 sheets, but to scroll the sheets it will take a lot of time if I use these two buttons. So what are the different ways how we can do it? Let's start with that. The first way that I'm going to talk about is using link. Okay, so how does it work? For example, I have to go directly from sheet 1 to sheet 20. Okay, so how we can use links in that case? I'll write some text, for example, link to sheet 20. Then I'll right click and I'll click on link. That's the last option here in the right click menu. And once you do that, then you can click on place in this document. Now here you will see all the sheets of this Excel file, and this is the cell to which we should navigate. So if A1 is selected by default, so your sheet will be navigated to A1 cell, and from here you can scroll down and select sheet 20. And if you click on OK, click on the link, I'll come to sheet 20 and A1 cell of sheet 20. So if you change the cell number there, for example, to B2 or C3, then this particular cell will be highlighted, right? So this is the first way to do it. Now let's go back to the sheet 1. Now the second procedure or the way is using a button like which will have a macro in the background or a keyboard shortcut. So to do this, you should have developer tab in your Excel sheet. If you do not know how to get the developer tab or you don't have the developer tab in your Excel sheet, you can see my video how to activate a developer tab in your Excel sheet. So once you have this tab, you can click on this, go to insert, and from the form controls, take a button and put a button in your sheet like this. Okay, so there will be a menu which comes up. It says macro name, so that let's keep it standard. Button one click. Then here we can click on record. The macro name still comes. Button one click. Here you can also define a shortcut key, for example, Control plus K. So if you use this shortcut key Control plus K from the keyboard, the script behind this button will execute. Or you can just directly click on OK. So once you do this, you'll see that there is a recording which has started, and here the button for stop recording gets activated. Now what we'll do is we'll navigate to sheet 20, and let's say we select the cell C3 and we click on stop recording. Okay, so our procedure or the macro behind the button is recorded. Now let's come back to sheet 1, and here I click button 1, and you see once I click it, I am on sheet 20 now, and you are on the C3 cell which is highlighted. So this was the second way. Now let's come back to the sheet 1 again. Now using these two methods, there is a restriction or a constraint that you can only go to one specific sheet, whether it's sheet 10 or sheet 20, because you specify a particular sheet to navigate to. Now the third option, which is the right click option, will allow you to go to any sheet and without defining any static links or buttons. So just see carefully how this works. You go to these buttons, and instead of using a left click, we right click. And you see on the right click it says see all sheets. So I right click here and a window appears which says activate, and here I can select directly any sheet, and I can also select sheet 20 and click on OK. So it goes to sheet 20. So this is the third and the quickest way, and this way can also be used to go from any sheet to any sheet. Now I select sheet 8, so I am on sheet 8 now. So this was the third way by which you can activate any sheet very fast and easily. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for your work. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.